Hi, in this video, we'll be covering how you can set up alerts inside Factors. So the way to do this is you first can visit the configure section, and under the configure section, you'll be having something called as alerts. Once you click on this, you'll be having a view like this. Now over here, if you want to add a new alert, you can click on the new alert button over here. And to begin with, you can give an alert name. So this should be a logical name. It could be something like average CPC from Google or total sessions, MQLs, any other KPI for which you would want an alert. So in this example, let's take average CPC Google as the alert that we are creating. The next thing you need to do is select the KPI for which you want this alert. So today inside Factors, all default KPIs which are part of Factors would be automatically populated over here. And any custom KPI that you create, which is using either one of your CRM properties like MQLs, SQLs, etc., will also start populating in this list. So a prerequisite to have those kind of KPIs listed down over here would be to create a custom KPI, but yeah, in the absence of it, we can always go ahead with the default KPIs that you see in front of your screen. So because this is for average CPC Google, which is average cost per click from Google campaigns, we can select the cost per click as the KPI. Right? So if I go to Google Ads metrics over here and select cost per click as the metric or KPI for which I want an alert, I will select it over here. You can add filters. So if you want to only view this for specific campaigns or any other property, you can add a filter. For now, we'll be skipping it. The next thing you need to do is select the operator. So this section is for understanding or rather configuring when an alert is to be triggered. So if you click on operator, you'll be having a bunch of different options. So something for is less than, is greater than, decreased by more than, increased by more than, or you can have a percentage as well. So in this case, let's say if we want to understand if the average CPC has increased by more than, let's say, 10% in a week. So as far as the time periods are concerned, you can select weekly, monthly, or quarterly. So this example is for weekly, and it will be compared to the previous period. So last week would be the time period that you have for 7 days, and the previous period would be the week before those 7 days, right? So it's a week on week comparison, and you can either select the delivery option as email, so you can type in your email over here. You can add multiple ones as well, or select a Slack channel once you have integrated it, right? So this is how you set up an alert inside Factors. Make sure if you want a Slack alert, you have integrated Slack in the integration section. Otherwise, you can always set up an email alert as well. Thank you. Do let us know if you have any questions.